I hope I don't seem easy. I just like to talk, and the vibrations you're giving, they make me wanna fall. I wanna let my head down, I wanna play it cool, 'cause the vibrations you're giving, they got me close to you. I got a question that's been racking my brain. I gotta ask you before it is too late. It gets complicated if we're not on the same page. I sing.
Hello everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I will help you develop your creativity, you asked. To make me a dragon similar to Flutter, this is my channel dragon. Today I will make a butterfly dragon. Similar to her, I will ask you to prepare paper, tape, glue, markers, cardboard, a simple pencil, scissors, and an eraser. We are starting with details that you see will be the basis of our dragon. To make them, roll up the sheets and fold into such strips. Don't fold in half. Remember that the workpiece of the lower jaw should be shorter and thinner than the upper one. Now you will need to draw the side parts of the jaws. This dragon is bigger than the others, so roll up the sheet 4 in this way. Now attach the base of the upper jaw to the sheet of paper and outline it with a simple pencil. And now convey the shape of the jaw. Remember that the dragon has a very long snout. Now draw swirling hair for the baby dragon. Draw the dragon's nose. Now decorate the dragon with unusual patterns. Now draw big expressive eyes for the dragon. Draw long, beautiful eyelashes for the little dragon. Now draw eyelids and small eyebrows for the little dragon. To correctly color the side parts, take such markers and follow me. This is how your side part should look. Now cut it out and paint the second side according to the exact same technique. In this way, we should draw 2 more sides, parts only for the lower jaw. Draw curls. Don't forget to draw beautiful patterns. Draw a small dragon bush on her beard. Color the sides of the lower jaw with the same colors. Now you need to fold sheet of 4. In half on it, you will draw the dragon's mouth, bottom of the lower jaw, and the inside of the upper jaw. For this, glue the bases of the jaws to the half of the sheet for an outline with a simple pencil. And you will definitely need to draw sides with their help. You can glue the dragon well. Now separately on a thin piece of leaf, 4, draw a very long tongue for the baby dragon. Now color all the parts with these colors. Cut out the next elements of the dragon, cut it in half, and wrap the edges. Draw the top part with the same technique. Dragon. Butterflies have antennas, so you should draw them. Just follow me. The antennas with the previous colors. Cut them out and color the second part exactly the same way. Now let's move on to the most interesting part, or rather to the wings. First, you need to draw the top part of the wings. And immediately draw the bottom part of the wings. And now the wings are painted with the same colors as I paint them. Now you need to cut out the wings in the other side. Paint exactly the same. All parts are ready. Start assembling the dragon. Well guys, are you satisfied with your result? It seems to me that your dragons turned out to be wonderful. Get ready. The next dragon will also be interesting. I want to see every one of you in my subscriptions. Very glad to see you follow my videos. There is a lot of interesting things ahead. Set likes and press the bell so as not to miss my latest video. Wish everyone good luck.